Hi, I'm Kristen Capallo, Program Coordinator for the Cohort Master's Program in Criminology and Criminal Justice. UT Arlington has been offering a master's degree in Criminology and Criminal Justice for over 20 years. This well-established program is designed to provide students with the skills necessary to be leaders in the criminal justice field. Our department is home to nationally recognized faculty whose diverse areas of expertise provide students with a strong and well-rounded academic experience. The Cohort Master's Program is a 36-hour, non-thesis degree plan offered exclusively at UT Arlington's Fort Worth Center. Each class is offered consecutively, meeting Monday and Wednesday evenings in an accelerated 5 to 7 week format, allowing for the completion of your degree in just 24 months. The cohort design provides students with the opportunity to exchange ideas and network with fellow professionals in the industry. To be considered for admission, you must have a bachelor's degree in criminology, criminal justice, or a related discipline, have a GPA of at least 3.0 in your last 60 hours of undergraduate coursework, and submit 3 letters of recommendation. If you have taken the GRE, a score of at least 440 on both the verbal and quantitative sections is required. If you have not taken the test, the GRE requirement can be satisfied with at least 3 years of work experience in a criminal justice or related occupation, the submission of a professional writing sample, and the completion of a personal interview with the graduate advisor. Still, candidates that do not meet all of this criteria may still qualify for probationary admission. To apply or for more information, contact me at kcapallo@uta.edu or our graduate advisor, Dr. Rhonda Dobbs at rdobbs@uta.edu. You can also reach us at 817-272-3318. The UT Arlington Criminology and Criminal Justice Master's Degree, bettering yourself and the world.